friends, welcome to Village Skills. In this video I am going to show you how to make a beautiful Rakhi easily at home. Friends, this is my first Rakhi video in 2018. If you would like to see my last year Rakhi videos, please check out the links in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Village Skills for more creative Rakhi videos. And please hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Let's get started. Now our beautiful Rakhi is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Village Skills for more creative Rakhi videos. Friends, if you would like to see my previous last year Rakhi videos, please check out the links in the description box below. And please hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thanks for watching.